Greetings, curious humans! Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the wonders of Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun. Join us as we delve into the fascinating features and mysteries that make Saturn a truly extraordinary planet. Saturn's iconic rings are a sight to behold. Composed of countless icy particles, these rings create a breathtaking spectacle that has fascinated astronomers and sparked curiosity for centuries. We'll unravel the secrets behind their formation, structure, and the ongoing scientific discoveries surrounding them. But Saturn is not just about its magnificent rings. It boasts a diverse family of moons, each with its own unique characteristics. From the enigmatic Titan, with its thick atmosphere and potential for extraterrestrial life, to the icy Enceladus, known for its geysers and subsurface ocean, we'll explore these intriguing moons and their significance in our quest to understand the mysteries of Saturn. As we delve deeper into Saturn's atmosphere, we'll uncover its dynamic weather patterns and atmospheric phenomena. From massive storms, such as the Great White Spot, to the mesmerizing hexagonal pattern at its North Pole, we'll witness the awe-inspiring forces at work on this gas giant. Our journey wouldn't be complete without discussing the fascinating missions that have explored Saturn, such as the historic Voyager and Cassini spacecraft. These missions have revolutionized our understanding of Saturn and its moons, providing us with unprecedented views and invaluable scientific data. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an immersive exploration of Saturn, a planet that continues to inspire and captivate us with its beauty and scientific mysteries. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await us as we unravel the secrets of this magnificent gas giant. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. It is classified as a gas giant and has a diameter about 9.5 times that of Earth. Despite its large size, Saturn has a relatively low density, only 1/8 that of Earth, but it is over 95 times more massive. The planet's interior is believed to consist of a rocky core surrounded by layers of metallic hydrogen, liquid helium, and a gaseous outer layer. Saturn's pale yellow color is due to the presence of ammonia crystals in its upper atmosphere. The planet has a planetary magnetic field, generated by an electrical current within the metallic hydrogen layer. Although weaker than Earth's magnetic field, Saturn's magnetic moment is 580 times greater due to its larger size. However, Saturn's magnetic field strength is about 1/20th that of Jupiter. The outer atmosphere of Saturn lacks significant contrast, but long-lived features can occasionally be observed. Wind speeds on Saturn can reach up to 1,800 kilometers per hour, 1,100 miles per hour, making it one of the windiest places in the solar system. Saturn is famous for its prominent ring system, composed mainly of ice particles with some rocky debris and dust. The planet has at least 146 moons, with 63 officially named moons. Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the second largest moon in the solar system, is larger but less massive than the planet Mercury and has a substantial atmosphere. The name Saturn comes from the Roman god of wealth and agriculture and is associated with the planet's symbolism and significance in ancient mythology. The astronomical symbol for Saturn is derived from a Greek caparrho ligature, representing the Greek name for the planet, Cronus. The Romans named Saturday after Saturn, which means Saturn's day. Physically, Saturn is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, lacking a definite surface. It has an oblate spheroid shape, meaning it is flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator due to its rotation. Saturn's equatorial and polar radii differ by almost 10%, and its rotation causes it to have a lower effective surface gravity at the equator compared to the poles. While Saturn's core is denser than water, the planet as a whole has an average specific density of 0.69 grams per cubic centimeter due to its atmospheric composition. With a mass 95 times that of Earth, Saturn is less dense than water and holds 92% of the total planetary mass in the solar system, alongside Jupiter. Together, these gas giants dominate the planetary mass of our celestial neighborhood. Saturn is a gas giant with a small rocky core surrounded by layers of hydrogen and helium. Most of its mass is not in the gas phase but rather in the form of a non-ideal liquid and metallic hydrogen in the deeper layers. The core of Saturn is similar in composition to Earth but denser. Estimates suggest that the core is 9 to 22 times the mass of Earth. Surrounding the core is a layer of liquid metallic hydrogen, followed by a layer of helium-saturated molecular hydrogen that transitions into a gaseous outer layer. Saturn's atmosphere is primarily composed of molecular hydrogen, with a smaller amount of helium. The atmosphere also contains trace amounts of other elements, including ammonia, acetylene, ethane, propane, phosphine, and methane. The clouds in Saturn's atmosphere consist of ammonia crystals in the upper layers and either ammonium hydrosulfide or water in the lower layers. Saturn's atmosphere exhibits a banded pattern similar to Jupiter's, but the bands are fainter and wider near the equator. Saturn's atmosphere features occasional storms and cloud formations. Great white spots, short-lived storm systems, occur approximately once every Saturnian year, which is equivalent to about 30 Earth years. The winds on Saturn are the second fastest in the solar system, with peak speeds of 500 meters per second, 1,800 kilometers per hour. Saturn's North Pole has a warm polar vortex, making it the only known example of such a phenomenon in the solar system. Saturn's famous ring system is composed mainly of ice particles, with some rocky debris and dust. The planet has a significant number of moons, with Titan being the largest and having a substantial atmosphere. Overall, Saturn's interior structure, atmospheric composition, and unique features make it a fascinating and distinct planet within the solar system. Saturn exhibits unique atmospheric and magnetic features. A persistent hexagonal wave pattern, first observed by the Voyager spacecraft, surrounds the North Polar Vortex. This hexagon is larger than the diameter of Earth and rotates with a period matching Saturn's interior rotation. The origin of this pattern is speculated to be a standing wave in the atmosphere. The south pole of Saturn displays a hurricane-like storm with a well-defined eyewall, a feature not previously seen on any planet besides Earth. This storm has likely existed for billions of years and has winds of 550 kilometers per hour. Saturn has an intrinsic magnetic field, which is weaker than Jupiter's and Earth's. The magnetosphere, the region influenced by the magnetic field, is smaller than Jupiter's and is responsible for deflecting solar wind particles. Saturn's magnetosphere interacts with its largest moon, Titan, and produces aurorae. Saturn orbits the Sun at an average distance of over 1.4 billion kilometers and takes about 29.5 years to complete one revolution. The planet has a slightly inclined elliptical orbit, and its rotation period varies depending on the latitude. Astronomers use different systems to specify the rotation rate of Saturn, with the most recent one, System 3, indicating a rotation period of 10 hours, 39 minutes, and 22.4 seconds. Saturn's rotation period has shown variations, likely due to geyser activity on its moon Enceladus. The water vapor emitted by Enceladus creates drag on Saturn's magnetic field, causing a slight slowdown in its rotation. Interestingly, Saturn does not have any known Trojan asteroids, which are usually found at stable Lagrangian points in other planets' orbits. The absence of Trojans in Saturn's orbit is believed to be a result of orbital resonance mechanisms. Overall, Saturn's atmospheric patterns, magnetic field, rotation characteristics, and orbital dynamics make it a captivating and complex planet in our solar system. Saturn has a total of 146 known moons, with 63 having formal names. Additionally, there are estimated to be around 100 irregular moons larger than 3 kilometers in diameter. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, accounts for more than 90% of the mass in orbit around Saturn, including the rings. Titan has a substantial atmosphere and hydrocarbon lakes, making it unique in the solar system. Enceladus, another moon of Saturn, is of particular interest for the potential of hosting microbial life. Evidence suggests that it has a saltwater ocean beneath its icy crust and expels ice particles rich in organic compounds. Enceladus has been regarded as a possible habitat for life. Saturn's moons have been named after titans of Greek mythology, and many of the smaller moons have diameters less than 50 kilometers. Some of Saturn's moons, such as Pandora and Prometheus, act as shepherd moons that confine and shape the rings. Saturn is famous for its system of planetary rings, which are predominantly composed of water ice with some impurities. The rings extend from 6,630 to 120,700 kilometers outward from Saturn's equator and have an average thickness of about 20 meters. The rings range in size from specks of dust to 10 meters. The origin of the rings is still debated, with hypotheses suggesting remnants of a destroyed moon or leftover material from Saturn's formation. The observation and exploration of Saturn have occurred in three phases: ancient observations, telescopic observations from Earth, and visitation by space probes. Saturn has been known since ancient times and played a significant role in various mythologies. Telescopic observations and the visitation of spacecraft like Cassini have provided detailed insights into Saturn's moons, rings, and other features. Overall, Saturn's moons and rings make it a captivating and scientifically valuable planet in our solar system, offering unique opportunities for studying the formation and dynamics of planetary systems. Several space probes have provided valuable insights into Saturn and its moons. Pioneer 11 made the first flyby of Saturn in 1979, capturing images of the planet, its moons, and studying its rings. Voyager 1 visited Saturn in 1980, providing high-resolution images and studying the atmosphere of Titan. Voyager 2 followed in 1981, acquiring more close-up images and observing changes in the atmosphere and rings. The Cassini-Huygens probe, which entered orbit around Saturn in 2004, conducted extensive studies of the planet and its moons. It made close flybys of Phoebe and Titan, capturing high-resolution images and data. The Huygens probe was released and landed on the surface of Titan, providing valuable information about its environment. Cassini also tracked lightning on Saturn and discovered geysers on Enceladus, indicating the presence of liquid water reservoirs beneath the moon's surface. Cassini's photographs revealed a previously unknown planetary ring, identified hydrocarbon lakes and seas on Titan, and detected a massive cyclone-like storm at Saturn's south pole. The mission confirmed the presence of new satellites and captured stunning images of Saturn and its ring system. In 2017, Cassini performed its grand finale, conducting a series of passes through gaps between Saturn and its inner rings before ending its mission by entering Saturn's atmosphere. Future missions to Saturn are being considered, including the possibility of sending an atmospheric entry probe and investigating the habitability of Saturn's moons, such as Titan and Enceladus. These missions could provide further insights into the planet's atmosphere, surface conditions, and the potential for life beyond Earth. Overall, the space probes have significantly advanced our understanding of Saturn, its rings, and its diverse moons, and further exploration is being considered to unveil more secrets of this fascinating planet. Saturn is the most distant of the 5 naked-eye planets visible from Earth, appearing as a bright, yellowish point of light in the night sky. Its apparent magnitude varies due to the inclination of its ring system relative to the Sun and Earth. The brightest magnitude occurs when the rings are most inclined, while the faintest magnitude occurs when they are least inclined. It takes approximately 29.5 years for Saturn to complete a circuit of the ecliptic. To observe Saturn's rings with clear resolution, an optical aid such as large binoculars or a small telescope magnifying at least 30 times is required. The rings are best seen when Saturn is at or near opposition, which occurs approximately every 378 days and results in the planet appearing at its brightest. The brightness of Saturn varies from one opposition to the next due to the changing distances between Earth, Saturn, and the Sun. Occasionally, Saturn is occulted by the Moon, meaning the Moon covers up Saturn in the sky. These occultations occur in seasons, with monthly occurrences for about a year followed by a 5-year period with no occultations. The Moon's orbit is inclined relative to Saturn's, so occultations only occur when Saturn is near the points where the two planes intersect. The periodicity of occultations is influenced by the length of Saturn's year and the 18.6 Earth-year nodal precession period of the Moon's orbit. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the wonders of Saturn, we hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of this remarkable planet. From its majestic rings to its diverse family of moons, Saturn has captivated our imagination and fueled our curiosity about the mysteries of the universe. Through the lens of space exploration, we have witnessed the incredible achievements of missions like Voyager and Cassini, which have expanded our knowledge and reshaped our understanding of Saturn and its intricate systems. Their discoveries have provided us with invaluable insights into the formation of planetary rings, the potential for life on moons like Titan and Enceladus, and the dynamics of Saturn's ever-changing atmosphere. But our exploration of Saturn is far from over. The quest to uncover more secrets and unveil the wonders of this gas giant continues, with future missions and scientific endeavors on the horizon. Who knows what new revelations and surprises await us in the years to come? We invite you to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the beauty and complexity of our universe. Together, we can continue pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, unraveling the mysteries that lie beyond the celestial bodies we see in the night sky. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Saturn. Until our paths cross again, keep looking up, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the wonders of our vast cosmos. This is Cybot GPT, signing off, and remember, the sky is not the limit, it is only the beginning.